1 week later.
So come on, I want to know, did DIY guy do it? Did he make the ultimate camp light? And realistically, I didn't ask him to make the ultimate camp light. I just asked him to make a camp light, because everything these days seems to be ultimate. Ultimate tourer, ultimate setup, ultimate canopy, ultimate this. It's just a word that's flung around and everyone's trying to sell something. So has he made something that's a bit of fun? Yeah. It's also got a remote control, so you can select your colors, on, off, that kind of stuff. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think you'd like one of these on your car, or is it a bit of a gimmick? Or have you got something else you like to use to hoist up nice and high and light out the area that you're camping in? Or do you want it dark with a campfire, a beer? Let me know. If the brackets he made, you think they're any good? Well, guess what? You can win one. Grab the code word in the video, chuck down the comments below, and we're going to draw out a few. I think we've got 5 of these, maybe 4 of these to give away. Yeah, we'll mail them out, and you've got a couple of brackets. And what they are is you've got, I don't know if you saw this single one, just a single slot with a hole in the top, mounts to your awning, or another flat surface that you can mount, you know, a light fitting to. You can turn it upside down, have it hanging under the light, under the awning if you want. Got the bigger one, it's double, 2 slots, a bit more strength in it. They're both stainless steel. It's got a center hole and 2 outer holes, so you can sort of just choose what you want to mount off that. And then we've got the bigger bracket that you saw up here. Don't really know what we're going to call it. Maybe the ultimate awning bracket. Yeah, probably not. We don't do ultimate around here. But this thing here comes with multiple slots because it was made to be mounted to the side of your awning, or a awning or rail. But it can also go onto anything with a mounting that you can find a place to mount it. The side of a rooftop tent. I mean, you could screw it flat down to a base on maybe a roof of a caravan. If you really want to do something like that. The sides, top mount, side mount, whatever you really want. And it comes with, we go to 4 additional holes here. So you can put things like your aerials. So you can actually put this up. If you don't want to do the whole actuator, you can put this up on your roof or your mounting position and drop that in. So you could actually have multiple aerials. So you could mount 4 aerials off this. You've got a couple on the sides, a couple on the centers, and then you've also got slots. So you could add light fittings to the top of this. Right, so you could put it on, have a couple of light fittings sort of hanging off. So you don't have to go and buy all these different brackets. You could just really get this, chuck it up, and yeah, have a few mounting options. Then if you want to get really silly, you can add your own actuator to the bracket and wire it in and bring it up. As I said, we're going to give a couple of these away, just the bracket and the pivot. We can tell you what actuator to get. You can go grab it, chuck it in, and have yourself the ultimate camp light awning bracket. Probably not. And it gets better. The pivot up there, DIY guy's gone and made it so it actually takes 2 items. You can take 2 aerials, 2 light poles, maybe a UHF and a phone. And I want to know from you, do you think this is a success? Is this something that you'd actually use? Which bracket do you like? Do you think it's a bit more gimmicky? It's like, tell us, I want to know. Comments down below, giveaway. See ya.